Meaning of 5-spice.
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 5-spice. 5-spice is a blend of 5 common spices used in Chinese cuisine. The mixture typically consists of cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds, star anise, and Sichuan peppercorns. When used in cooking, it adds a complex flavor with a balance of sweet, savory, and spicy notes. It is often used to season meat dishes, marinades, and sauces. The unique combination of spices creates a warm and aromatic scent that enhances the overall dining experience. 5-spice is a versatile seasoning that has become a staple in many Chinese kitchens.